In this lesson we're going to look again at equations with brackets. I'm going to look at 3 examples. So let's get to this. So multiplying this bracket by 2 first is the first step of this, before doing anything else. So that's going to give me 2x plus 14. And just rewrite the rest of the equation. Take away x, take away 4 equals 7. Now, before doing anything else, I need to simplify this side. And it looks complicated at the moment. I need to gather like terms. And if you're bad at that, again, look back at earlier lessons about collecting like terms. So I've got 2x and a take away x there. So 2x take away x gives me 1x. And then if I've got a plus 14 take away 4, that's going to give me 10. I do nothing with the 7 at this point. So I've got x plus 10. So that gives me 7. If I take away 10 from both sides here, I'm going to get x equals 7 take away 10 is negative 3. Okay, next example. Again, same technique, multiply out the brackets first, then simplify this side. So leave the 7x alone. You're going to multiply 3 by x to give 3x, and 3 times negative 8, which is negative 24, and that comes to negative 4. I now need to simplify this side. So collect up terms that are the same. I've got a 7x and a plus 3x, so that comes to 10x. I've got no other numbers to add or subtract from this, so that just stays as 24, negative 24. I can now do my equation technique, so add 24 to both sides. So that leaves me with 10x here, and negative 4 plus 24 is just 20. If I divide both sides by 10, I get x is 2. Okay, last one to look at. Again, multiply out your brackets first, and then simplify this side. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. That comes to 3x minus 2. So let's collect the terms up. We've got 5x, add a 2x. That gets 7x, and we've got a negative 20 plus 6. And if you like to think it was 6 take away 20, that's going to come to negative 14. So we're going to get 7x take away 14 equals 3x take away 2. Now that just becomes an equation we've done earlier. Again, I'll take away the 3x from both sides. You could add 14 to both sides, but I'm trying to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So 7 take away 3 is 4. Leave the take away 14. This comes to 0, so I'll just get negative 2. If I add the 14 to both sides, because that says take away, so do the opposite, add 14. That's going to leave me with the 4x here. And 14 take away 2, or negative 2 plus 14 is 12. Divide through by 4, and you get x equals 3.